How's it going, guys? I'm Coach Sean. Today we're going to make a really simple Greek feta salad. Now I'm going to add sliced black olives into that, completely optional because I will love it or hate it item. And we're literally just going to roughly chop everything up, slice the tomatoes, dice the onion, cube the cucumber and get it all mixed up with the oil. Nice olive oil, extra virgin, squeeze a lemon, crumble the feta on, we're good to go. I'm going to use half a red onion, 2 tomatoes for this, and half a cucumber, but just scale it up as you need it. This will serve 2 people easily. Yeah, and you really just want to dice up the red onion. I like nice little small bites of this. The tomatoes, always try and go for the vine. You can just literally smell the difference. I'm going to cube this up nicely. Again, they don't have to be perfect squares. This is a nice throw it all together salad. So now we're just going to put all the ingredients into a mixing bowl. We're going to get feta, just a nice block. Just do it purely by judgment. If you like less feta, put less in. If you like more, put more in. And we're literally just going to use our hands and just crumble that all the way through. Crumble it through. There we go. So now we're going to put the olives in. I like these sliced black olives. This is personal preference. I like the colour contrast it gives. I also love olives, but totally up to you. Tiny bit of salt. I like lots of pepper. Nice drizzle of olive oil. Again, personal preference, how much you want in. Then with a light squeeze of lemon, just to add a bit of sharpness. And then, again, nothing fancy, just straight in. Mix everything around. All them onions will start breaking up smaller. Sprinkle some herbs on the top. So I'm just using herbs de Provence on that, which is just a mixture of thyme, rosemary, basil, oregano, and tarragon. And that's it, ready to serve. So that's it all mixed together. Now this accompanies any type of dish, meat dishes, vegetarian dishes, or simply just on its own. It accompanies homemade quiche, which we made earlier, recipe's just up here. It accompanies that just perfectly. So now you want to sit this in the fridge 15-20 minutes and you're ready to go.